Hey guys, it's Jen. Sorry, a little out of breath. I decided to go for a little nature jog and release some of this frustration and hopelessness and broken-hearted sadness. So I'm not yet quite sweating, but hopefully soon. And I wanted to just grab a shot here. Cotton ball clouds in the sky, y'all. What do you think of that? It's really sunny and hot. And over here, big puffy marshmallow. And then some little wispy guys. So just wanted to grab a shot what it's looking like here in my neck of the woods for today, which is Saturday, July 27th, 2019. And lots of butterflies around. They're loving the sunshine. And crickets, dragonflies, you name it. Got a lot of insect life hopping around happily today. Sometimes I wish I could be one, because not a care in the world, just fly around in their glorious beauty like my beloved butterflies do, dancing in the sunshine and not experiencing a mother's heartbreak and pain. So bright, 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 sunshiny sky today. Thank you, Jesus. So over the gloomy, dreary, gray, rainy misery that's been around. And as usual, lots of aircraft today. My favorite. That was sarcastic. Anyways, lots of love, everybody.